l'Ukraine a été déposé dans le délai ainsi fixé, exposé dans le délai ainsi prescrit de la Cour et à la recevabilité de la requête.
Russia has great respect for this court as the world's principal judicial organ. Within this in mind, we have appeared before you today to demonstrate that the case brought by Ukraine should be dismissed for lack of jurisdiction. Ukraine's case, as now presented, is largely based on its untenable assertion that the DPR and LPR are terrorist organizations. Ukraine has repeatedly urged foreign state and international bodies to designate the DPR and LPR as terrorist organizations. Yet none of them has done so. For my part, I will refer to only one episode, which Ukraine characterizes as an act of alleged Russia-related financing of terrorism, namely the terrible shooting down of flight MH17 in Donbass in 2014. This tragedy claimed many innocent lives, and Russia feels deep sympathy for the victims and solidarity with their families. The investigation is ongoing. Russia strongly denies any allegations of its involvement in this tragic incident, and it has been cooperating in good faith with all parties engaged in the investigation, including the Dutch Safety Board and the Joint Investigative Team.
In brief, the position, if I may paraphrase Judge Alfaro in his famous separate opinion in the case of the Temple of Priya Vihar, is that Ukraine's own actions, so far as concerns what it now calls racial discrimination, denote an attitude manifestly contrary to the rights it is claiming before you. Mr. President, members of the Court, having said this, I wish to reassure the Court that the described conduct of Ukraine is condemned by my government and does not serve as any ground for a less favorable treatment of Ukrainians, Crimean Tatars, or indeed any other ethnic minority in the Russian Federation who are and will be treated with dignity and respect, free from any discrimination, and whose rights are and will be protected.